Right in the kisser.
Headshot.
Hey, GB. You ready?
Hey, how are you guys? It's been a while since my last upload, and I wanted to show you what I've been up to. I put a pre-order on the Toxicant SIG MCX Spear LT. It's a beautiful replica with all the correct markings, and in this video we're going to explore what it can do. Stick around for the video to see the insane accuracy of this beautiful beast. The game mode is King of the Hill. For all my Call of Duty fans out there, it's kind of like playing headquarters. Put your flag on the control point and defend it for 4 minutes. The team that has the flag on has no respawns.
Daniel, go.
The control point is pretty much in the middle of the map, so conquering the flanks on the right and left are crucial to win the game. Our efforts to conquer the right flank are off to a rough start.
Laag blijven.
The right side was too hard to break through, and frankly, too physically demanding. Making most of our energy, we're attacking the left side.
Come on, laat je zien. Goed zo. Daniel, kom doorstampen. We kunnen die silo's meenemen.
What the fuck?
Even though I got killed, the blue team was not able to get our flag off the control point, thus making us win the first round. We have switched sides, and we now have to take the victory from the other side of the field. Spoiler alert, watch us take this victory as well.
Well, good luck.
Switching sides.
Rustig!
That's German here wants to die for country. Oblige him.
The shots I've been getting out of the spear have been phenomenal. The system is based on the Tokyo Marui MWS, so it's super reliable with a high rate of fire. Toxicant also sells the SIG suppressor, which I equipped with a tracer unit. Our flag is currently on. We have to defend the control point from enemy attacks for 4 minutes in order to win this game.
Ah man, baby's zijn zo langzaam over deze afstand. Er zit een rode achter. Neem je hem over. Je hebt nog meer magazijn inhoud dan ik. Jee. Er is iets gebeurd. Yes. Kings.
Winning both rounds, we the red team have been crowned kings of the hill. It has been an absolute joy to field this Toxicant SIG Spear LT for the first time. I highly recommend you check them out and visit their website. They're always very helpful in their online chat to answer any question you might have. Well, that's all I have for now. See you next video.
Headshot.
Oh, het. Dat laat me op. Dat.